So I was live streaming on YouTube the other day, you know, doing my thing, trading NFTs when this happened. All I gotta say is pucker up, baby. All right, that's the wrong clip. Fucking God. Is this real, bro? Did someone actually, is this photoshopped? That's actually so funny, bro. I respect the fuck out of that. I'm gonna sell it though. No, let's make a collection. Me and you, let's make a collection of me eating food on stream, okay? And then that actually sparked an idea. Why not actually take screenshots of me eating food, drinking food, looking dumb, and put them into an NFT? So here I am sitting here with 24 hours to create a full NFT collection of random screenshots of me during live stream moments of eating food, drinking food, doing dumb shit. And yeah, I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. So hey, how you doing? Welcome to the video. My name is Jerzy. I make NFT content, so if you're new around here, subscribe to the channel. So it's quite literally 17 hours of preparation to get this Discord server ready, to get screenshots all across all these different live streams we had to rewatch. We finally made the Discord, and we have a couple of sneak peeks to show the audience. All right, it's been done. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's happening, boys. Oh, it's happening, boys. All right, so I think we created something pretty nice here. I'm not gonna lie. Just a bunch of people wanting whitelist. Are we even gonna do whitelist? I don't even know. What the fuck is this? Oh. All right, so then I went ahead and made an announcement, you know, giving these degenerates, you know, some whitelist spots for the first 5 people to invite 10 people. So, good luck. I mean, this would be fucking golden, okay? This is the fucking sweet spot right here. So this got me thinking, right? We need to think bigger, smarter, harder. We gotta give away free whitelists. We gotta get people in the Discord. We got people in the Twitter. We gotta make a new Twitter, and we gotta start shilling shit. So that's exactly what we did. We made this tweet. We made a brand new Twitter account as well. It's got 24 followers. The tweet's doing pretty good. We got some people who think this is fake. This is me, guys. Trust me, this is me. Besides this guy, calling it a rug. Respect. Okay, yo, whoever made this fan art is a fucking goat. This is so sick. That's fucking fire. So with this piece of fan art, I actually went ahead and gave him whitelist, and we're gonna throw it into the collection as well, which I think is a super fucking dope idea. So shouts out to Toons NFT Slut. Congrats, dude, you're in the collection. I know the mother. So in all honesty, this is quite a big joke. There's no real utility. It's kind of just an idea I had during a live stream due to the events that happened, and I think it's fucking funny. The only actual utility that's out there at the moment is gonna be giveaways. That's right, we're gonna be giving away proceeds from the mint starting at 5 Solana, and we might give away some more as well to random holders, and there will be redistribution royalties back to holders from the weekly royalties on secondary, as well as, you know, DAO and holder verification. So we will have that set up as well. So with time running out, we had to think smarter, we had to think harder, and we had to think bigger. So we reached out to some other YouTubers. Shouts out to the boys over at Grisha. Shouts out to Cody Unchained. Shouts out to It's Ragnar. And oh yeah, and I can't forget my boy Ranked NFT. So we went ahead and made them all one of ones of them eating food that will be in this collection as well. So with time running out and quite literally time being against us in this situation, we had to look through so many different streams. We had to find so many different NFTs and pictures of myself, and it was becoming a struggle. So here I am just looking for more NFTs, more pictures, more memes, more eating, more drinking, and we're getting close. So how exactly are we launching this project? What are we using? Do we have a candy machine? Do we have a node? Are we developers? Well, the answer is no, we are not. So we are using Launch My NFT, which is a very cool sort of launch pad on a Solana that quite literally lets you create a collection. You upload the images and you can just mint it from their website for a fee. And of course, the fee does not matter at all. This is quite literally a giveaway raffle NFT project filled with memes. It's a joke. So what we're doing is launching it over here. We're gonna create a new collection. We go ahead and sign in, do all this stuff, upload the images, and then you can mint them from this link. Of course, I have no affiliation with Launch My NFT, so I would highly recommend that you guys do go ahead and use yourself a burner account. If you don't know what that is, it's quite literally just a secondary wallet that you put funds onto it to connect to a minting website to get said NFT. Here we can go ahead and make the actual collection, what date it will be launching on, when it will be doing all that stuff, all that good shit, and we can go ahead and just put all the details here as well. The mint price, what we're going to be doing with it, how the royalties are going to be set up, and overall, what it's going to look like when it is launched. And yes, lucky for you guys, this video is going live a little bit earlier before the mint does happen, so the Discord links will be down below as well to join. We do have whitelist spots going out, and if you're seeing this early, you'll have a chance to take a piece of this pie home and potentially win yourself some money from minting this project. So with all that's been said and done, we've made it. We did everything, man. We got everyone in the collection. We had a lot of fun with it, and it's here. Oh my God, there we go, boys. Jerzy screenshots happening in 19 hours. Obviously, by the time you see this video, it'll be live in like 30 minutes. So, yo. This has been a wild ride, boys. Just let's go ahead and add all the whitelisted users very quickly. And there we go. 29 people have been whitelisted. They can mint 1 each. So we'll do 1 per pre-sale, and then we'll make it 3 mints per person on public. So we had one final poll. We had to, you know, figure out if we reward the whitelist holders with a cheaper price and then up the public sale. And everyone voted yes. So we actually made whitelist cheaper down to 0.3 Solana, and we made public 0.4. So shouts out to everyone who made fan art and, you know, grinded in the server and tried to get whitelisted and just made it more of a fun event. And here's the final announcement for what the mint is going to look like and how the project is going to be ran. And so yeah, good luck to all the holders and all the minters for free money. Yo, this is fucked, Cody. Holy shit. Cody, look at the Discord. Look at the Discord. Oh my fucking God. What do you think about this?
All I was trying to do is support you.
I appreciate it.
To the Discord. This is how you do me.
I thought we did pretty good, man. Alrighty, so with all the memes out of the way, all the shit posting, you know, we're ready to fucking launch this project, and I'm super excited. Like I've mentioned a million times, this is a joke, this is a meme, there's no current utility. It's quite literally like buying a scratch-off ticket, possibly winning money, but there will be distributions from the royalties back to holders when snapshots are taken. So without further ado, I bring you the Jerzy meme collection. Or well, Jerzy meme moments. You know, we don't know the name it's gonna be called when we actually put it on Magic Eden, but we are minting in just under an hour, and this video will be out about 20 to 30 minutes prior to the white list. So I'm fucking excited, boys. I think this is gonna be a lot of fun. If you guys are interested, links are down below. It's a 169 collection where we're giving away majority of the royalties and mint funds back to holders. And I just want to give a huge shout out to Akas, or Akas. He helped me out a lot with this project, so thank you so much for getting all the screenshots and putting the time in for this. He has been compensated, don't worry. And yeah, stick around for Gen 2. It's coming soon. All right, boys, have a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a comment, like today's video, subscribe to the channel, and check out today's video sponsor, ftx.us, the #1 cryptocurrency exchange in the entire world with a full-fledged NFT market for Ethereum and Solana NFTs alike. Not only can you get a free crypto coin with every $10 that you spend on the platform, you can also save all gas fees on NFTs for Ethereum. On top of that, there's no ACH fees, no minimum withdrawal fees, and no fixed transaction fees as well on the platform. This is your one-stop shop for all cryptocurrency needs. Oh yeah, and they have the most competitive rates in the entire world, so use my links down below to save an additional 10% on all trading fees. And we got a big giveaway cooking up, so you might want to go ahead and sign up for FTX. Links down below, guys. Have a good fucking day.